this food poisoning. Food poisoning.
People, they almost poison editorial.
Some living God. So I shouldn't do dance for me. I saw the living God, even though the devil knows, say not true. I saw the living God, even though the devil knows, say not you the rain. I saw the living God. I saw the living God, even though the devil knows, say not true. I saw the living God, even though the devil knows, say not you the rain. I have observed that when I'm happy, it pains a lot of people. So I want their pain to increase. And I don't kill myself. So I have to be happy. Just that. But I've been very happy since 3 days now.
Wow. Who they there? I said, may I follow my sister, Victoria. Even the devil no. Say na my people, our sister, Editorial, she give us woto. Editorial, give us woto. She say, since 3 days now, she dey happy. Now, wetin me, Naija daughter, one for my sister. Make she dey happy, no be say make she dey do face like her. I say, sis, share. You don't already do what you supposed to do. Now you're supposed to be happy. Then, since 3 days now, my sister they happy. Now I say me I can't tell you now my people say death is not good for body. Oh. Death is not good for body. If you dey hold somebody, go and remove one so that may you get fresh hair. Okay? If you hold the person money. My sister said she since 3 days now she can notice and say, what's all those reactor really talk? Now true. All those commenters when they whether when editorial piece they will go wrong, all those kind of people. Editorial know say they don't mean well. When they say my sister, do the right thing. Now we mean well for her. My sister said she says it's 3 days now. One of those whole things. For me, I celebrate with her. Yes. What did they use quarrel they do? Not that they use quarrel they do. Quarrel not be our own. Quarrel not be our portion. Sadness not be our portion. Yes. When our enemies see us say we they happy, we they jubilate. They go they cry. Pepe then, oh, pepe then, I bet you never now live stream, but not too long. You can go and watch it. Yes. You can tell us if any house on go on, I don't know. Me when I tell they saying I am coming from Naija Daughter Tv. Go to the story when not cause he ain't tell me. Now make me calm your heart. My people, I was shocked. Oh, I just said I say the poison me. I say what am I hearing? Poison. Who not poison my sister Victoria? I put my ear well. I can't. I dey listen. Now I can't say here. I say like poison. If I eat the food, the thing not they do me for body whatever. And I make be like they poison me. I say I still say they poison her. Thank God now say the poison is gone. Now she get herself. My sister say me I bring her comfort now say my sister Editorial she's happy she's rejoiced. When we still talk about her, why not? Now our channel day about. Now those some people when they not care for what they don't understand. They don't really understand. Come meet us. Let you understand. Say now our business, now our niche. Our sister Editorial, see her now. She want use any opportunity. She not if you upload video then any editorial normal they go live stream before. Now they go live. Me when I say now they go live stream back to back. Super chat is there. Hey, quite good sometimes. Sometimes quite good. Super chat is there. Woto. Live stream, watch hour, view, subscription, everything go high for my sister's studio now. Now you say those people when they say reactor, editorial, tell reactor, but I start to talk about it. Now you say, shut up, yes, man, you don't understand my business. You want to teach me my business? How about you let me shine? When the other one never will see reactor when drag and now you tell us, oh yeah, reactor, I open the door, drag me so that I can climb. What are you talking? Do you know the power of reactor? Now you say I beg, no pause for my carry. As reactor they drag me, let me still they put body so that may I come up for this 70 something one day. And true now, very soon now, she go knock 80. You dey there, you dey carry on that person, headache. Me, I dey here, I sit down, send my camera and my ring light. In fact, may you know, if you don't know, forget it. Editorial, my love, they say, may I tell you, if you don't know this, so if you watch my video. There's editorial, be like say you not see this comment. I dey tell you now, wait till your lovers, so they say, may you do proper video, may you tell us, you know, they measure your name for our channel. Editorial, please, if you not see that comment, me, I place this comment for you. Do proper video. Make sure our name. Make sure all the react when you know say they disturb you. Go do one. Somebody write down for your live stream. Say, tell us, say, maybe stop to the talk. You really want maybe stop to the talk about you. Because the opportunity when you just get, now I can see you, they showcase yourself. You Mary, I have to start to talk about you. Editorial say for words. I mean, when I talk about us, now I talk about me. You know, editorial even do one video. When she mentioned, say, when she say, Sandra, Nello, this now we the favor, now we give one. Now she come and say, my sister, I wish I not do that video. Now for sis on the TikTok, I give you now. Then now still bring out. Now so it be. Now when they carry another person, load. We not they carry na business. We they do business. You see editorial for live stream yesterday. She said, I bet may I do something, may they see something TikTok. Because she they give us, we they give her. She they give us, we they give her. She they give us, we they give her. It's not easy. Go watch that live stream. You hear what editorial talk. Yes. He said, I beg, may I give them something, may they go talk. May I go? I say, where you they go now? Where you they go? Yeah, give it to us. I say, give it to us, baby. Give it to us, baby. Give it to us, baby. That's CPM. Now they talk so. If you not forget it, go and sleep. And when you wake up, CPM will let you know what you really need. My people, I see say my sister run come outside yesterday. She did down, say, I have a living God. Say she's happy. For me, I really happy for her because before editorial, I go see 350 euro for a video. Not many video go do. One person just super chat 350 euro because of this push. Before you see another person super chat 100 euro, $100. You know how many videos she go make. Now I make she see the live stream. They sweet our sister. They sweet and I see the sweet and I see the sweet and the pain there. I see the pain there. In the sweet us. I see the sweet us. In the pain there. I see the pain there. In the sweet us. My people, and this one I got to tell you now. Say our sister editorial. She dey happy oh. If you dey there, they do paradol for editorial. Say she not dey happy. Say react of the dragon. She dey enjoy them because one way or the other, one her CPM rise, two her watch hour rise, three her view rise. May you know, my own house, Esther family. I know people when go through my house when I do live stream. For that, you're not supposed to dey quarrel. Editorial has said not dey quarrel. When you write, some people who write comment, go and do video. Editorial will never do that kind of video. Say reactor, wait it up. No insult her. No be only she even talk and Nello talk am. No insult. You can do react. You can react to their video. And my sister editorial will still as a colleague for the work. You say you want to change your niche. Then you dance. Now we run carry and come our channel. There is time when I will carry your matter come my channel. You know say. But this period now you just they say woto. See, I go advise you. Know what you they do. Focus on your content. Your content, I be concert. Focus on your content. They give us woto. They give us back to back. Okay? If now vlog, as you see talk, say vlog easy for you. They do your vlog. Dance, now your voice will shake now. We still talk about it. You understand? Bikono, if you fit talk about me, carry me, go your channel. Go and talk. And editorial I talk, I don't talk one eye. I talk about editorial. One eye, no be you I talk. Editorial when you get 2 eye, now you talk about. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. My sister editorial. You dance, we will talk. You sit down, we will talk. For me, be yourself. What you know say they give you joy. When make you dey comfortable to do. Like me now, I love vlog. But to come outside, it hurts me. You see, then this my niche. It sweets me well. My own are just to hold my phone. The latest I'll see, I'll bring her. But to go outside, go do vlog, no problem. Like you now, you there inside house, you dey do vlog, you dey cook, you dey do everything. Your niche, when you know say you dey comfortable. Me, I send my love to you. I don't hate you for anywhere. You know, now CPM they send us to go where we don't know. We don't really know where CPM they send us to go. But wait till we get now. Now CPM get the power, get the key for this street. Now your turn now. Make use of it oh. Before CPM go shake your body oh. My sister editorial, make use of it, okay? Because there is time when we will talk your matter, when nothing. But now you they rain as you they talk now. I serve a living God oh, even the devil no. Say now you I serve a living God oh, everybody know. Say now you the rain. Jesus now you the rain oh. My Redeemer, now you the rain oh. Now he the rain for you now. Rain, okay? All those kakarapela putu when they try to not mind them. Focus on your business. You can see your work. You when you do the fight for it. I see one comment in my comment section today. You in fact you the para there. Editorial they happy say she serve a living God. How it not be this matter? Editorial repay. You know how much she receive back? Her watch hour, her view, her subscriber. You know, you just did there. person they make money, you they naked. I beg my people now like to listen. I for like to play and little, but go her house, go and wash it and wash it and wash it. Okay, she do live stream editorial and Emmy family. She still do live stream editorial 556 too. Okay, so that one she always do upload knuckle all those ingredients. Okay, go wash am. We don't get anything against editorial. You when you say we get anything against editorial, now you they carry your head the knock. For us, we are free. As I will draw this my video now, go edit am. Bro, come wash. Whether insult editorial, whether not, hey, it's that they talk about. Now this one they talk now. My people, they almost poison editorial. Oh. Hey, this one a wahala. Beg if you never subscribe to Naija Daughter TV. I will meet you now in my next video. Do where to join this beautiful family. Now so I reach you Naija Daughter. Now so who they do now we they run now we they now we they chest for good, not before bad. Okay. And this one I break come out for you say our sister editorial, she's happy. You see, they not care for what because of editorial. Editorial is happy, and we the reactor are happy with her. You know, like I said down just now. I baby, I leave you now. Editorial, I beg, make use of your time. Okay, give it to what. I'll see you now in my next video. Ciao.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.